Joe Papperman here again with another old salt secret. So some of these boats, when you're running them, you might not know you have any issues with bolts related. So one thing you recommend doing when you're way back in, maybe the last mile before you get to the inlet, go ahead and push it up. Nice and easy, push it all the way up. What you want to be able to see is that you're getting all your turns. And by that I mean you're getting the right RPM that the boat's rated for. It's just a nice easy way to make sure we don't have any issues prior to getting to the dock. We do it on the way home when you're close to home. That way if you do have an issue, you got to ride home. Or at least you're with a cell phone service. Now you can do this with gas outboards as well. As long as it gets all of its turns, 9 times out of 10 the compression's going to be just fine, that everything's working properly. So don't push your boats hard, don't hurt them. It wouldn't be nice to them. It's our equipment that we gotta love and use and rely on. But just one easy way to make sure that everything's running the way it should. And let me know in the comments if there's any other secrets you're looking to find out.